Hey everybody, this is Jen from Garden Jen's Journey. I thought I'd do a quick video tip today because this is the time of year that the people in the north start doing their winter sowing jugs. People in the south have already got a head start on us. But anyways, I just want to do a quick tip. This is my gardening binder, my planner, just a regular binder. Then I have my order that I needed from Baker Creek. And then I have my jugs that I need for my plants based on my planting guide. Yes, I'm very organized. I did over 200 jugs last year. I'm like, okay, that was a little much. Let's make sure we're organized so I know how many I need. I actually need at least 160 so far, and then I have other herbs and things. So that's what we're doing today. We're planting. I have my seeds here, and also over here. My kitchen's a mess, so don't mind me. But I wanted to show you a quick tip today. These jugs are reused from last year. I have quite a few of those jugs there. But I wanted to show you a tip in case new timers are having a hard time with duct taping. And I have 2 rolls of duct tape that I have right now. And this is Duck brand. I don't know if you can see the inside there. This is just the basic strength. I either get this strength, or I think there's like an extra strength or something that I use. You don't need to go drastic and get the outdoor variety. That won't work. Gorilla tape doesn't work. Trust me, I did that last year. Painter's tape actually works. But anyways, moving on. So I have my labels here. These are for the inside of my jug, and I do have them labeled on the outside with a paint pen, but just to protect and make sure you still have a label, these are for the inside. So I plant my seeds and then put the label in there and tape it up. Now you might have some jugs that are weird, like this brand of milk has concave areas here, which make it very difficult to tape with duct tape. Or if you're reusing, sometimes you get jugs that are kind of smashed and so they don't line up. And so I wanted to show you how to deal with that. It takes a little more tape, but this works. This jug is a pretty straight jug. There's no concave in it, but it was hard to match up. So what I do is I tape long ways, basically the 4 corners, or 3 corners, 1, 2, and then 3 long ways, and that'll hold this in the proper area, and then you can run pieces of tape along the sides here. This one got smashed in, and it's warped. So again, long ways over the thing covers the hole instead of trying to fight with this with a narrow piece of tape. And then also for the around the handle here, I snipped here like you would fabric when you're going around a curve. I snipped this a little bit so it lays flat. So that's what you do around the handle, is you snip that there. I'll show you here. Snip that so it lays flat. But this one, again, because of the concave, let's see, let me turn it, there we go. See how concave that is in there? So it's long pieces of tape that go in there to hold this closed instead of trying to fight getting your narrow strip in there. So that's how I work with difficult jugs. I had a hard time yesterday and I had to put it up, and then I had this bright epiphany today. So I wanted to share that with you. So I hope this helps newbies or those who are still struggling trying to get their jugs taped for this year. Talk to you guys later. This is Jen from Garden Jen's Journey. Bye bye.